Hello everyone on YouTube, Master of Cards here to bring you another card trick, and boy, this is a poignant one. Well, if we're all sitting comfortably, I will begin. This trick is number 976 in my spellbook. It's called Waterfall, Final Phase. Now why is that? Well, I've got other tricks that have a bit of a watery theme to them. If you're wondering what they are, don't worry, because later on I will be making a playlist that will be on my channel made up of the tricks. Concluding with this one. So, let's see what it does. There we go. Right. Let's pick a card. This one. Jack of Hearts. Okay. We'll just lose it into the deck somewhere. There we go. Now we'll just separate the deck. There we go. Into 3 parts. Then I'll give them my wave pool shuffle. And put it together, give it another wave pool shuffle. One more just for good measure. Neaten it up, and there it is. And that's all she wrote. Well, that's the trick. I hope you enjoyed it. Look on the playlist when you've got the time. Leave a comment, subscribe, etc, etc. No swearing. Well, that's it for now, so until next time, bon voyage.